So are you interested in knowing the different alternatives that you have to dentures? Well, my name is Michelle, and I'm a dental assistant with Solutions, and I'm going to talk today about the different alternatives that you have when it comes to dentures. Now, if you've been, you definitely would need to see your general dentist, and if your general dentist does tell you that you need to get dentures, that you need to have all your natural teeth pulled or the natural teeth that you have left, if you need to have them pulled to get dentures, but you're just not really wanting to go down that route, then you can actually, discuss with him as far as maybe different alternatives. A couple different alternatives is what we call as partial dentures. They look something similar to this. And basically what a partial denture is it replaces the missing teeth that you have. Instead of extracting all your teeth and just getting a regular denture, a partial denture actually replaces the missing teeth that you have. So in this type of case, this patient has missing teeth on their upper right side of their mouth, so they would just take an impression, a lab technician would make this, and then you would wear it constantly. Also too, another option to dentures is what we call is dental implants. A dental implant looks very similar to this. Basically what it is, a good easy way to explain it is it's a dental screw that is screwed into your jawbone or on your palate, on your upper palate. And then the bone over a period of time actually adheres to the screw and holds it in your mouth. And then you would actually just put a regular tooth-looking crown that looks just like this on top of the implant. So therefore, you can get what we call full mouth restoration of implants. And you would get implants placed throughout your mouth. And that's also a great treatment option. Instead of getting dentures, you would just pull your teeth and have implants placed in there. It's a fixed restoration, so you won't have to remove them. It's actually cemented into your mouth, so you don't have to worry about taking it in and out and cleaning it. You just brush your teeth normally like you regularly would. But those are a couple different options to dentures, but definitely consult with your general dentist, so therefore he'll be able to direct you in the right way to go on what treatment option would be best for you. Once again, my name is Michelle, and I'm a dental assistant with Solutions, and I just explained to you the different alternatives to dentures.